Hello everyone, welcome back to Made by Kaushika. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful rose flowers using foam sheets. First, I cut two pieces of foam sheet, each about 4 cm by 30 cm. Then I made small cuts along on the edge, about 2 cm apart. And shaped the corners smoothly to look like rose petals. Next, I twisted two thin wires together to make the stem. Now, I placed the wire on the foam sheet and rolled it carefully. After rolling, I took a thick folded thread and tied it tightly under the cuts to hold the petals in place. Now the flower is ready. I made two flowers. One I painted red and the other yellow using acrylic colors. To make the leaves, I took a hibiscus leaf, placed it on green paper, traced its outline and cut it out. Then I wrapped the wire stem with green paper and added the leaf to it. And here it is, my beautiful handmade foam rose flowers. If you liked this craft, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Made by Kaushika for more creative ideas.